What if you could supplement your infrastructure with cloud during the holiday season?
What if you could switch on that additional hardware capacity in a matter of seconds?
What if you could save thousands of dollars by not buying hardware that is idle?
What if, at the end of that holiday season, you could wrap up the data and transport it into your on-prem instance?
It is all possible using the OMS hybrid cloud solution.
So what is OMS hybrid cloud solution? We have an on-prem part of the solution and we have a cloud part of the solution. It is the exact same solution that is deployed on both sides, and an on-prem customer can benefit from having a cloud solution that will supplement their infrastructure needs. That is the OMS hybrid cloud solution.
So I'm going to illustrate the infrastructure benefits of moving towards a hybrid OMS cloud solution. If you look at the pure on-prem OMS solutions today, the way we do sizing is that we size for peak volumes. So if you see here, the infrastructure requirements to handle peak volumes are almost 3 times what is required to handle daily volumes. And on top of that, we usually build in a buffer that's almost equivalent to what is required to handle regular volumes. So for a majority of the time, as you can see here, a majority of your infrastructure is idling. The promise of a hybrid cloud solution is that the peak volumes are directed to the cloud and the daily volumes are handled by the on-premise implementation. This means that your infrastructure costs are reduced by almost 4x. So the promise of a hybrid cloud solution is that your infrastructure becomes elastic to handle demand, which is also elastic.
What about the challenges during the peak holiday season? During holiday season, most retailers run into the problem of distress. Well, don't lose your sleep over distress and disaster recovery. When the on-premise is down, switch over to the cloud, because this is capable of scaling horizontally and it can handle your peak volumes.
So who can benefit from this solution? Both the existing customers as well as new customers can benefit. For the existing customers who are not confident that the infrastructure can handle disaster recovery as well as peak volume expected in the next season, they can adopt this architecture. Because what would happen is the excess volume and disaster recovery would be handled by the cloud. For the new customers who are challenged with an entry barrier of high infrastructure cost could also adopt this architecture, because the on-prem solution infrastructure would just handle the daily volume. All the excess volume and disaster recovery would be handled by the cloud.
So where is our inventory? Inventory can reside on-premise or on cloud.
And what about master data? Data such as pricing, catalog, users, and configurations. This topology provides a solution such that master data is available to on-prem as well as on-cloud solution all the time.
Okay, let's talk about integration. So your existing on-prem solution must be having integrations with numerous internal and external partners, and you must be wondering as to how I will use those integrations once the cloud instance is deployed. Well, I have good news for you. The way the solution is architected is that all the existing integrations that you have on your existing on-prem OMS solution are seamlessly available to your cloud solution. So any new order that flows to the cloud instance, it's able to process those orders using all the existing integration as it happens for your on-prem OMS instance. Also, when the peak season ends and you want to decommission your cloud instance, all the transactional data from the cloud instance is seamlessly transferred to your on-prem instance for future reference. We are using technologies like OMS sharding and containerization for this purpose.
So what about security? The PCI compliance, customer sensitive data, the credit card data, the payment related data, and a lot more. We have thought about it. One size does not fit everyone. So talk to IBM security experts and your architect.
This hybrid cloud solution is not only applicable for OMS, but we can use it for Sterling CPQ and field sales.
Want to know more? Talk to your IBM client executive.